Hi, I'm Adam. In this video, I will show you how to install the Geberit DuoFresh module. It's a sensor odour extraction unit designed to neutralise unpleasant odours from within the toilet suite. Before the installation, ensure a licensed electrician is carrying out the electrical work. Refer to your local electrical installation standards to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Remove the inner cover, transmission block and water supply from the cistern. It's always good practice to try and stop any swarf entering the cistern where possible whilst drilling the hole. Use a 35mm hole saw and use the centering provision on the top of the cistern to drill the hole. Insert the conduit bush until it sits flush with the cistern and push the flexible conduit in so you have about 15mm inside the cistern. Install the conduit pipe to a location that suits your requirements and secure. Connect the extra 1.8 metre cable with the cable that was supplied with the DuoFresh module kit, lining up the markers and push together. Feed the cable up the conduit, ensuring you have the correct direction to the transformer location. Leave about 300mm out the front for connecting to the DuoFresh module during fit-off stage. Insert the conduit plug over the cable and onto the conduit. Reinstall the water supply to the stop tap and inlet float valve. Install the transmission block. Coil up the cable out of the way for future connection. Install the inner cover, followed by the transmission duct. Once the vanity or ceiling linings have been installed, the connection to the transformer can be made. Please note all electrical installation work needs to be carried out by a licensed electrician.